Hey, what's up guys? It's Cashflow with Disrupt Gaming. Today I'm talking about a product that I tried about a month ago for the first time and I found to be pretty useful. That is the meal replacement control. I've actually gotten 2 bags of it now. I've gotten the Fruity Flakes flavor and the Cinnamon Toast Crunch flavor, and they're both pretty good. So I want to talk a little bit about what I use it for and who I think it might be helpful for and who it may not be helpful for. So I actually use it as a true meal replacement. The calorie information on this is approximately, it's 280 calories per serving without any milk or any other liquid. It's 400 calories with skim milk, and then a little bit more if you drink 1% or 2%. It's got 23 grams of protein with milk, with milk 35 grams of protein. So it's got quite a bit of protein in it. But again, I actually use it as a true meal replacement. I'm 35 years old, so I've got to keep myself in shape to keep up with people way younger than me. And so when I eat, I generally only eat 2 meals a day. Frequently, I'll go to the gym and get a workout in on an empty stomach, and then I'll have this as a meal replacement. It's not something that I would have, every day or for multiple meals a day or for a single meal a day for, weeks on end. But, 3, 4, 5 times a week, it's pretty convenient. It's super cheap per serving. I think it ends up being maybe $3.50 or $4 if you include the milk in there per serving, which is great. And it's got a ton of vitamins and minerals in there. A lot of stuff that I probably don't get just eating my regular diet anyway. So for the purposes of kind of a mixture of a true meal replacement and a post-workout supplement, it's pretty effective. So I would actually recommend this product for anyone who actually needs a meal replacement. If you are on the go a lot and you find yourself skipping a meal and then you're overeating at dinner or whatever the case may be, this might actually be a pretty good product for you. However, if this product is not used as a meal replacement, if you are consuming it as a snack or along with the rest of your daily required calories, this will be a detriment to you in the sense that it is very dense. It's a lot of extra calories. It goes down easy. It's very easy to drink. So if you're drinking this in addition to a full day's allotment of calories, this is going to add weight to you. Most likely that's going to be fat. Of course, everybody's different, but if you're consuming 400 extra calories a day more than you burn, there's a really, really good chance that's going to be converted into fat. So I would say you do need to make sure that you're using this as a replacement and not as additional calories. Let's talk about the taste. So I've only tried 2 flavors. I've tried Fruity Flakes and Cinnamon Toast, and they're both really good. Really, really good. It's so easy to drink. It just goes down super smooth. But the Fruity Flakes, I think I actually like the Fruity Flakes a little bit better. The Cinnamon Toast, I was able to taste the whey protein in it. One of the ingredients is whey protein, which is a very common type of protein. And the Cinnamon Toast, I can taste the whey. I don't think I could taste it quite as much at first, but once you have a few of them, you can kind of start to taste that whey protein a little bit more. Whereas the Fruity Flakes, I haven't experienced that yet. And man, let me tell you, both of these cereals flavors really emulate the bottom of the cereal bowl. I really, really like, seriously, they taste like the milk at the end of the bowl. So kind of tying this back into who it's for and use cases, it is sweet. So if you're looking for something savory, these are not the option for you. They are sweet. So in that regard, having it, as just your lunch or something like that is, you've got to have a little discipline there, right? Because that kind of sweet flavor doesn't satiate you that much. But generally, super tasty. If you are able to use it as a true meal replacement on occasion, it's a fantastic product. If you do not have your daily calorie allotment in check already or know how much you need to be eating, and this is something that may be adding on to your total calories, then maybe it's not the best option. Or if you're someone who's trying to lose weight and you struggle with understanding how much you're actually consuming, maybe it's not a great product for you. But if you are aware of your caloric intake and you could use the vitamins, the protein, all of that good stuff, and it's fantastic, and I do recommend it. Anyway, feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions about it. Like I said, I've tried 2 of the flavors and gone through almost 2 bags of it, so pretty good stuff. Yeah, appreciate the time, and let me know if you have any questions about it. Thanks.